You come into the building. The door senses you, swings open. You pass your fob across a sensor and enter your home. The room is cool, the hum of air conditioning. You sit down. Your partner is working in the other room, headphones on. You flip the screen up and log on. You submerge effortlessly. Your fingers work of their own accord. You think about eating, but recently you haven't felt much like it. The food seems so unreal. Perfect. Packaged. They may as well present it to you ready chewed. You glance out the window. The sky. But you are drawn back to the screen. Someone has messaged you. Lately, you have been searching for others who share this unease. You can't talk to your partner about it. You feel a sense of unreality about surfaces, smart technology, the shininess, the automation, the voice that speaks at you on public transport or from your phone, or telling you where your friends are or what they are liking right now. Are you the fleshy you sitting there looking for me now? Or are you the bodiless, floating you? Do you know if I am a me? Maybe you'll talk to me.
I have to go. Sorry. Sorry, I have to go.